Hi watchers, in this video I will discuss top 10 shoes organization of the world. The worldwide footwear market has been developing significantly in the course of recent many years, because of the intense ascent in shopper spending designs and an adjustment in purchaser viewpoint that puts style on a similar balance as solace. Remaining nearly a retail unrest in a quick-changing retail scene, significant shoe organizations are encountering marvelous development in incomes. The worldwide footwear industry is probably not going to back off at any point in the near future, with the worldwide interest for footwear developing at an amazing rate. For the most recent footwear market report, including worldwide footwear market size, top shoe organizations, and future patterns, please observe Technavio's Global Footwear Market Report 2020-2024, or download your free footwear market report sample now. Worldwide footwear market analysis, considering the roaring deals of a wide scope of footwear items through both on the web and disconnected dissemination channels. Technavio's market investigators have assessed that the footwear market will enroll income of near $353 billion by 2022, while the worldwide footwear market size can possibly develop by $42.06 billion during 2020 to 2024, enlisting a consistent CAGR of over 2% during the gauge time frame. The interest for premium footwear items is faltering, because of the presentation of inventive plans and progressed specialized manufacture by the world's driving shoe organizations. This, thus, is setting off the development of the worldwide footwear market. Driving footwear organizations like Adidas, Asics, and Nike are most popular for their imaginative contributions. As per Technavio's exploration, the non-athletic fragment will represent the most noteworthy development in the footwear market, attributable to advancing requests, a developing purchaser base of web deals, and quicker transportation administrations. Thus, the footwear market is relied upon to develop at a CAGR of more than 2% by 2024. Technavio has been intently observing the most recent footwear market patterns to make an inside and out arrangement of footwear statistical surveying reports. These reports help our customers recognize openings inside the market and create compelling procedures to improve their market positions. Investigate Technavio's footwear market research library and download your free example report today. Top 10 shoe companies in the world in 2021. Nike is one of the world's biggest shoe brands. Nike has consistently been at the main edge of advancement, innovation, improvement, and forefront, showcasing efforts that assist it with outperforming different brands regarding notoriety and deals. Nike's Do What Needs to Be Done showcasing effort, including Colin Kaepernick, has demonstrated to be advantageous for the organization as it developed their online deals of footwear items over the world. Nike, the world's biggest games footwear brand, is rethinking itself for the computerized period. The organization is stepping toward its objective of turning into a retail tech organization, and a portion of these strategies as of now seem, by all accounts, to be working. Nike is additionally getting its leader items directly with shoes like Nike Air Max 270, ZoomX, React, and VaporMax. To Adidas, with its underlying foundations in Germany, Adidas has gotten one of the top shoe brands on the planet. The organization creates in excess of 900 million games and way-of-life items with free assembling accomplices around the globe. It created deals of around $25 billion of every 2019, and these stunning numbers are a demonstration of what an enormous and multifaceted organization Adidas has become. With in excess of 1,000 stores over the world, the shoe brand has ascended to outrageous stature of progress. Adidas has become an image of sports design as well as introduced an aggregate picture of road, mainstream society, music, sports, and other style explanations, characterizing its reality through its striking correspondence methodologies. 3. New Balance. In contrast to huge numbers of its adversaries, the Boston-based worldwide organization New Balance avoids VIP support. The organization professes to underscore substance over style by featuring lesser-known competitors. Other than assembling people's shoes for ball, tennis, golf, climbing, running, and broadly educating, New Balance offers wellness clothing and shoes for kids and possesses Shoemaker Dunham. The organization's item portfolio additionally incorporates Aravon shoes for comfort execution, Warrior hockey gear, PF Flyers footwear, and Brine, an innovator in field hockey, lacrosse, soccer, and volleyball. The organization is endeavoring to extend past the US and it as of late opened its first UK store on London's Oxford Street. 4. ASICS. ASICS is one of Japan's top shoe organizations and purveyor of other hardware. Since its establishment in 1949, ASICS has been a worldwide footwear brand focused on sustaining youth around the globe through games. Over 60 years, the organization has given its own items while establishing changes in the social climate. ASICS as of late declared the dispatch of its new item arrangement Speed tennis footwear, which is intended to improve readiness and speed during the game. The Solution Speed shoe highlights 3 of organization's trend-setting innovations: court-specific flight foam, Tweeze truss, and flexion fit. 5. Kering. Puma. Kering is a world chief in attire and adornments. It builds up a gathering of incredible extravagance, way of life, and sports brands, including Gucci, Bottega Veneta, Volcom, and Puma. Its Puma image gives an amazing and flexible assortment of footwear, attire, and extras. In the course of recent many years, Puma has reliably developed to present a differentiated item portfolio that incorporates Puma suede, basket, Roma, Easy Rider, and some more. Jaguar's Motorsports assortment incorporates co-marked shoes with pioneers, for example, Ducati and Ferrari. The brand's mechanically cutting-edge shoe, Foz, is embraced by the quickest man on the planet, Usain Bolt. 6. Skechers. Established in 1992, Skechers is one of the quickest developing shoe organizations in the U.S., zeroing in on stylish and easygoing styles for people between the ages of 19 and 40. The billion-dollar, grant-winning organization's prosperity originates from its great item contributions, bleeding-edge print and TV publicizing, and differentiated homegrown and worldwide dissemination channels. Skechers items incorporate boots, shoes, preparing shoes, Oxfords, shoes, and semi-dressy shoes. The organization offers road-centered and design footwear under the Zoo York, Marc Ecko, and Mark Nason brands. Skechers shoes are sold in excess of 160 nations through Forte stores and exactly 390 organization-possessed outlet stores. 7 Fila starting as a material firm in Biella, Italy over 90 years back, Fila, Fabbrica Italiana Lapis Edifin, has since developed into one of the top shoe organizations in the classifications of tennis, soccer, and running in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. Today, Fila is a main architect and advertiser of footwear, clothing, and embellishments for game and relaxation with item classifications including easygoing and athletic footwear, easygoing wear, sports clothing, and active apparel. The organization offers its wide scope of items under various brands, including Trotto, DOS, Giotto, Pongo, Lyra, and others. 8 Bata. For over 130 years, Bata has been the most perceived footwear brand on the planet. Today, the organization is driven by the third era of the Bata family and keeps on committing itself to finding new shoe materials, creating imaginative innovations, and assembling new items that mix design with comfort. The organization today has a presence in more than 60 nations with in excess of 5,000 retail locations, 24 completely possessed plants, and devoted online business tasks. Bata joins the best of neighborhood and worldwide, successfully obliging the necessities of purchasers over the world, making it one of the world's quickest developing shoe organizations. 9 Berbera. Berbera is an entrenched producer of extravagance garments, ready-made design outerwear, scents, beauty care products, shades, shoes, and different frill for men, ladies, and kids. It is one of the most perceived brands in the EU, Australia, US, and different pieces of Asia. The British originator organization is wanting to grow its shoe business quickly and is set to make a key interest in its cowhide products flexibly chain. Burberry as of late procured a cowhide decent office from its Italian accomplice CFNP10. VF Corporation established in 1899, VF is one of the world's driving attire, footwear, and extras organizations with socially dependable activities spreading over a few areas, dissemination channels, and item classes. It serves shoppers over the world with its wide-extending arrangement of way-of-life clothing and shoe marks that incorporate the North Face, Wrangler, Lee, Timberland, and Vans. These brands' prominence earned the organization numerous buyers, which incited it to open outlet stores over the globe. The organization dispatched its online business entrance in 2013. Thanks for watching our video.